Hello friends. Welcome back in another Illustrator tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make spider web in a minute. First go to Tools. Select Polar Grid tool. Double click on it. You can choose these settings, or you can edit them as you like. Make a perfect circle. Cool. Go to Object, Path, add anchor points. Then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat, then put -10. Let's expand appearance. Cool. Let's create a line. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, choose these settings, Copies 3, and select Preview, Angle, 45 degrees, and press OK. Very easy. Thank you for watching, see you in another tutorial.